how much should you actually spend on a commercial backpack vacuum? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Sanitaire SC679K. Let's kick things off with the Sanitaire SC679K. Priced at $149.99, this vacuum caught my attention with its promise of durability and performance. If you want a reliable vacuum that won't let you down, this is worth a serious look. The SC679K offers over 500 hours of motor life, which is a big deal when you're using it for commercial cleaning. The 18-quart capacity means you won't have to stop and empty it constantly, giving you more uninterrupted cleaning time. It's also lightweight at 12.2 pounds, making it easy to transport around your workplace. Plus, the 30-foot power cord allows for a cleaning area of nearly 4,680 square feet without needing to switch plugs often. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Less downtime means more productivity. Now, some users have mentioned that the bag system can be a hassle if you prefer bagless options. Here's the thing though, if you value the cleanliness and convenience of bagged cleaning, it's not a deal breaker. This vacuum is still a solid choice for most commercial settings. This is perfect for you if you manage a cleaning crew or need a dependable vacuum for large spaces. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-tech, modern design, but it's definitely valued for the price.
Product number 2, Sanitaire SC886G. Next up is the Sanitaire SC886G, coming in at $251.99. This vacuum has an extended motor life of over 2,000 hours, which is 5 times longer than the average household vacuum. If longevity is what you need, definitely take a look at this one. This model also has a massive 18-quart capacity for less frequent bag changes, which is perfect for busy environments. The chrome hood adds durability, and the detachable 50-foot power cord is a huge plus, allowing you to clean an area of about 7,800 square feet without constantly switching plugs. The sound level is around 79 dBA, which is manageable for most workplaces. Here's why this matters for you. You can clean efficiently and quietly in sensitive areas, like offices. However, some people found it a bit heavy to maneuver over long periods. Here's my take. If you're mostly cleaning larger spaces, the benefits outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is ideal for commercial cleaners needing a reliable, longer-lasting vacuum. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight, but the value is clear for the durability offered.
Product number 3, Atrix Ergo Pro Backpack Vacuum, priced at $231.59. What really caught my eye is its lightweight design, an 8-quart HEPA filter bag. If you're after comfort and filtration, this one's worth considering. The Ergo Pro features a powerful motor, generating 106 CFM suction, which is impressive for a backpack design. This means you can tackle dust and debris efficiently without feeling weighed down. At only 19.25 pounds, it's comfortable to wear for long periods. Plus, it operates quietly at just 72 decibels, making it perfect for noise-sensitive environments. Here's why this matters. You can clean without disturbing others around you, which is great for offices or libraries. That said, some users pointed out the hose could be a bit short for taller individuals. Here's the thing. If you're on the shorter side or mainly using it in tight spaces, you might not even notice this. This is perfect for contractors or cleaners working in small areas and needing portability. Skip this if you're looking for a traditional upright vacuum, but it's a solid option for its features.
Product number 4, Atrix Ergo Backpack Canister Vacuum, available for $249.99. What stands out is the Pro Bundle that comes with a ton of accessories. If versatility is your priority, this is definitely worth your attention. This vacuum includes a powerful 1,400-watt motor and a comprehensive accessory kit, including a 6-foot hose and multiple nozzles. It's designed for various surfaces, making it ideal for everything from offices to warehouses. The HEPA filtration system ensures effective debris containment, which is crucial for those with allergies. Here's why this matters. You get a cleaner environment and healthier air quality. Some reviews mentioned that it takes a bit of time to get used to using all the attachments. But here's my perspective. Once you get the hang of it, the flexibility you gain is worth that initial learning curve.
This vacuum is perfect for professional cleaners who need a versatile tool for different jobs. Skip this if you prefer a simpler, straightforward vacuum, but you're getting excellent value for the complete package.
Product number 5, Milwaukee M18 Fuel Trade 3-in-1 Backpack Vacuum, priced at $349. This one's a bit more on the expensive side, but it's cordless, which is a huge advantage. If you want freedom of movement without cords getting in your way, this is a fantastic option. This vacuum offers a power state brushless motor, which means it's designed for longer runtime and greater efficiency. The battery-powered design allows you to clean without worrying about finding an outlet, making it flexible for large areas or tough-to-reach spots. Here's why this matters. You avoid the hassle of cords and increase your productivity. However, it's worth noting that the battery and charger are not included, which can be a downside for some. But here's the thing. If you're already invested in Milwaukee's battery ecosystem, this could be a smart addition. This is great for those who work in dynamic environments where cord management is tricky. Skip this if you're on a tight budget and need something that comes with everything included, but the investment can pay off for its convenience.
So, to sum it up, the Sanitaire SC679K is great for durability. The SC886G offers extended life. The Atrix Ergo Pro provides comfort. The Atrix Backpack Canister is versatile. And the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Trade gives you the freedom of cordless cleaning. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best before making a choice.